here's how to get rogue agents to spawn Division 2. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead on the left. You will see the heroic options. Now click on that. Now afterwards, on the setting of the weapon that you are going to choose, make sure that it is under 5045, and then click on the settings and you will see there the weapons that you can go ahead and select to spawn a rogue agent. Now, after selecting that and reaching the right level for it, the next thing that you can do is to go ahead and encounter the rogue. So once you have already encountered it, you will see at the upper which says rogue encounter complete. And then afterwards, what you need to do is you have to look at the bottom if there is a rogue agent that has been detected. Now, if there is any detected, you can now go ahead and try to spawn the rogue agent that you will see. So you can just go ahead and use the weapon that you have chosen a while ago.